Hi, Nick Houston here for Gotham Sound and Communication with Leslie from WisyCom in Italia.
Exactly.
Leslie,
Italia.
thanks for being here.
Thank you for coming here. Another year, another NAB.
Yeah, so tell us about these very incredible looking antennas.
So these are the new antennas which are going to replace basically our log periodic antenna, LBNA and LBN1. So the main difference, of course, are the holes. The antenna is a bit thicker to make it more resistance, of course. And we changed the support here, which was in plastic before. Now it's in aluminum because we wanted something to make it as really strong. And now we have, of course, the receiving antenna with a 15 gain booster as before. Also now we have a transmitting antenna with a booster. And we increased the band, which was already wide. Now it's going from the passive 170 megahertz up to 1.3 gigahertz, divided into two different bands based on the antenna. So the power on the transmitting antenna reaches up to 1 watt. So this means that, of course, you don't need anymore the antenna amplifier, RF amplifier when working with a RF over fiber system. So you just can plug directly the antenna with a BNC connector, which makes a big difference on quick setup and different application like sports events or big coverage applications.
And I saw that you guys have a passive version of this antenna as well.
Yeah, the passive version is the same dimension. Of course, there's no booster, and it's the widest in terms of band, and has from 170 megahertz up to 1.3 gigahertz. So this is covering VHF band entirely. Because this fits with the same range we have on the MFL, which is the RF over fiber system, and the matrix as well, which is capable to work both UHF and VHF.
So why up to 1.3 gigahertz?
Well, there are some spots, still open spots of the band on the highest part that are not unused. For example, in America, this is the 940, 960 megahertz part, which is completely unused. So we decided to put the users, the engineers in the position of, okay, let's use also that part. It's available, nobody's using that. Let's go for it. So we are going to increase the band also on the transmitters, body pack transmitters, and the receivers, to make everybody able to, of course, to use also that part of the band. Not only US, but Japan is 1.1, if I remember well, is still available, and UK as well as a high part of the band available. So that's why we're like increasing the band with this purpose.
So one antenna that can just do it all.
Yeah, exactly. These are going to replace the other ones, and I think they're doing their job.
They're very attractive, I have to tell you. They're really nice. They're very different from anything that's out there.
They're always. I mean, we're asked for Formula One, where they're putting antennas really high. Of course, sometimes they have problem with antenna moving. So we're not, of course, the only one making with holes, but I think they're the most good looking.
Yeah, they're very sleek. When do you think they'll be coming out, and how much do you think they'll be?
I'm not in sales. I'm in pre-sale, post-sales. I don't know much about pricing for US at the moment.
Okay.
But because we just received the first stock of 1,000, so we start.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we start producing them, I think last week.
Oh, wow.
In full production process. So it's something that for sure Gotham or other American distributors you will have their price very soon.
Cool. So, all right. So they're very close to being ready.
No, they are ready
stateside.
now.
They're ready. Okay.
Passive are completely ready, and the receiving also. And what we are still working on is the way to be the gain controlled by the matrix directly, which is going to be really nice. So you can control when you put the antenna, we do your setup, you can control the gain directly from the matrix, which is quite helpful.
Awesome. Okay. Is there anything we missed?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Awesome. Leslie, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.